Hi guys! If you're trying to cut back on plastic without making life more complicated, this might be one of the easiest swaps you can make. Let me show you what I have been using. I've been using the full circle compostable zipper snack bags, and the bags are derived from corn, fully compostable. And let me show you about how I've been using these. And again, they were gifted to me. I actually asked for them, and I would never ask for anything unless I think I'm going to like it, and I really do love these. And so I've been using these for everything from packing snacks for my dogs when I go for a car ride or nuts, and they stay very secure in here. The material is very strong. It's actually quite thick. The bags are thick, and this zipper thingy is snaps very strong, so it stays secure. So I've been chopping bananas and put them in the freezer, and they are freezer safe, by the way. I like to make smoothies, and I've also been putting chips in here. If I open up a chip bag, then I will eat all the bag. Yes. So I've been putting them into these little bags, and I take it to work, or if I go on a car ride. And what I love too is I love to use them for my tea bags that I take to work, and they stay secure in here instead of throwing them into a big bag. And again, you get 50 bags in each of these boxes, and you can actually open it here and grab a bag from here. So again, these bags are made from plant-based materials instead of traditional plastic, and they're food safe, and they're leak resistant, and they're freezer safe, which is my favorite. Like I said, I started chopping bananas because I love to make smoothies, and this is the perfect size for a smoothie or two. And they are also designed to be compostable. I also love that I can use or reuse them several times before I can compost them. The biggest benefit is that they make it easy to be a little more conscious about my environment without giving up convenience, and therefore I just love to use these.